Welcome to another BusinessMind tutorial. Today we're going to go over jobs from the point of sale. In this video, we will create a job, take in a prepayment for the job, which is a job deposit. We'll even complete the job, and then the customer will come in and pick up the job. So we will sell the job out from the point of sale. And at that point, if there are any additional payments needed, the customer will pay those. Let's dive in. From the BusinessMind homepage, click on Point of Sale. The first thing you want to do is select your customer. Click on Customer and search for them. You can run this search by name or even phone number. Select the customer and add them to the point of sale. Now you're ready to take in the job. Click the Take In Job button. You'll notice you have many options. The first set of options is job notifications. You could set how you would like to notify the customer when the job is completed. Email, phone, and text are supported. A job summary is a brief one-line summary describing the job. Let's go ahead and fill that in. Additional job information, like a detailed description of the work and specifications, can be added. Tracking 0 can be set as the type of job. Let's go ahead and choose a repair for this specific job. You can select the date wanted and an estimate price. Let's go ahead and even add a photo. Now let's take in a prepayment, which is a job deposit. Enter in the prepayment amount, and you'll notice the charge button now shows the prepayment amount. If we were not going to take in a prepayment, we would just hit the $0 tender. At this point, we choose the $150 tender, and we can choose our options of how they're going to pay for this prepayment. In this case, they're going to give us cash. So we're going to use the $150 cash option. Print your receipt and you're all set. Now that your job has been processed, you can work on it from the back end. This is done from the workshop. You can click on the workshop from the BusinessMind homepage that will bring you to the workshop homepage. Searching for a job will bring up that job, and clicking on it will display the detail view. Again, this is managed in the back of the house. Once your job is concluded, you will need to mark the job concluded so that you can sell it from the point of sale. To do that is easy. You simply hit the Final Route button and say Concluded. If you needed to stop the job, you can cancel it. In this case, we are concluding this job and it will be ready for pickup. You will note that you will get a final route that says Job Concluded. At this point, if you want, you could add a little note. Make sure to save. Now that all that's left to do is wait for the customer to come and pick up the job. So let's fast forward to that. Steve has come in and he's ready to pick up his job. So we're back at the point of sale. We click on Customer, and again, we pull up Steve's contact record. And we add him to the point of sale. Now this time, you'll notice there's a little job icon next to Steve's name. This means that Steve has a job. If we click on this, it will give us a list of Steve's jobs. Let's go ahead and click on the job. Here, we will see the job, and it will even give us a note of how much prepayments are available for this job. If you remember from earlier, we took in a $150 prepayment. So system is showing that there is one prepayment available of a total of $150 that will be used at this job. Let's go ahead and add this to the point of sale. You will see the job, input it into the point of sale, any taxes, and whatever prepayments. If you need to modify the tax, you can. You click on the job and you can choose different tax rates. At this point, we're not charging tax for this simple repair. So let's go ahead and complete this transaction. The total for this job was $500. The client gave us $150 in prepayments. So the remaining balance is $350, which you can see on the charge button. Click the charge button, and now you can complete the transaction by taking in your final payment using one of the various payment options. In this case, Steve paid us with check. Let's go ahead and hit tender. And of course, you could print your receipt and your transaction has been completed. I hope you all enjoyed this episode of BusinessMind Tutorials. Please like and subscribe for more videos and join us again. Have a good one.